بله اولینجا ایرو امه چین ببن ایرو امه تشتکی پر خوش هین ببن. Yes, dear friends, today we are going to learn something very nice, which is damabori, past tense, simple past tense. Actually, past tense, but we start from simple past tense, and we will end with, I think, past perfect tense. I think. So let's see. Okay, I think in English we have past perfect tense in as another tense, right? But I think in Kurdish we got all of them in same category, and I think it makes more sense to put them in same category to understand much better. Okay, Damaporia sade, which means simple past tense. Damaporia sade. Okay, Rezagname. Dve am raya lekeri jibo damabori bebine. It says we have to find stem of verb for past tense. Stem is very important. It is like the most important thing in Kurdish language. If you want to learn times, definitely you have to know what is stem. And of course, for this, I will give you a source today. I am not going to tell you always watch my videos. Each time you want to say, okay, what is Khwanden? What is Khwanden? What is the stem of Khwanden? I don't want you to come to always my channel, spend your data, spend your time to see this. I am going to give you a source, a very nice source, which is this one. It is what? It is Wikifarhang. Simply, you can type this on Google. And once you come here, you will just search for verb. Khwanden, for example. Khwanden. So when you come down in here, Khwanden, in here you can see its stem. Rahi damanuha, rahi damanuha. Rahi. Okay? Rahi. For example, for naha means present tense, it has khwin. And for bori, for past tense, it's khwand. For menden, for more you can, for other forms you can find in here. It says, for example, imperfect. Shiroka damanha. This is in translation of this. This is imperfect. Pluperfect. Shiroka boria tedai. Like there are, as I said, there are too many past tenses. Dama boria dudar. Future perfect. Future. Present subject. Subjective. Naya blaniye. Preteriate subjective. It doesn't matter, you don't have to really deal with this. You simply look at in here. This will generally always work for you. But also if you want to see for more, you can look at here. Okay, this is like we have khwanden, our verb is khwanden, and the stem for the present tense is khwin, for the past tense is khwand. Okay, as you see in here, also it is like that. We say khwand. But also we have some rules, which if they always doesn't work, those rules, but still we have rules. I mean, I didn't see over all the sources, but these were in the source that I get these notes from. In there it was written that there is a ruler like this. Okay, رزقنامه دوی هم دلیکر جبو دم بوری ببینه او گلکی حسانه. It is very easy. داویا لیکری ده این راکه او قاس. In anji an. Okay, the only thing we need is remove in or an from end of the verb. Now we have stem. Okay, you see, when we remove this, we have the stem. Actually, this is wrong. This is kani. Only we will remove an, not e, not in. We will simply remove an. This which will be kani. If there is no verb, bu و بس بکود داویه دفو کده بنویسه. Bu would be enough to put end of the sentences. If there is no verb, for example, you want to say I was teacher, as ma mustabum, simply you will say I as ma mustabum. You are going to simply say I was a teacher, and as well as ma mustabum. As ma musta, you will simply put boom in there. Boom. As ma mustabu actually. M comes because of I use as. For example, تم مستبو هن مستبون. Okay, we continue fast because we have too much. Okay, chun. Chun became chu. M chun bazare. To go, we went to bazar. We went to bazar. M chun bazare. Akhaften. Remove an akhaft. Ali perbash akhaft. To talk. Ali talked very well. Nevestin. Nevist. Nevisten. 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 Nevest. As I said, if you are not sure, simply look at the website and you can see it. Nevist. To the saat chandan and nevesti. When did you sleep? To sleep. When did you sleep? And hatan. You simply remove this un, hot, and bury this hatan, hatan, hot, un, hot. Okay, you see, this is un because of I use am. If I use it as, it will be as hatam. As buried, dus hatan, hatam. You see, simple enough. To come, we came 2 hours ago. To come, we came 2 hours ago. We came 2 hours ago. Yes. And let's continue. Keten. Keten, you simply remove an in the end. And cat leaves. Cat lefts. Pirtukenmen keten. My books fell down. So Pirtukenmen is plural, and if you want to make it singular, you will say Pirtukamen cat. In the time you will remove this because an is, it makes it plural. Cat. Pirtukamen cat. Okay. Kenin, as I said, it will be Kenny as the verb filmi per kenim. So this is Kenny. Actually, there is something else. The stem of Kenny is also what? Also is also Kenya. 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 Yes. It is also stem of Kenin is Kenny. And also Kenya. Both of them are stem of this verb. Okay. As chumwane. I went to one. As chumwane, which says as chumwane. You see, we remove n, chun, and it became chu. To chuiwane, to chuiwane, 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 chu, chui, chuyin, chui, chuinwane, to chuiwane. Okay, you see, still. But chuyin, okay. Look at there. Let's look at our website in here. It's not our website actually. It is Wikiferhang. Tionari Chuyen. I want to say Chuyen. Chun. Okay. It takes me to Chun. And in Chun, as you see, Chuyen, it has chu for past tense. It is chu. That is why, according to these, it will simply be chu, to chuane, to chuane, to chuane. Actually, simple. Let's simplify everything. Simply say to chuane. Don't say chui. Generally, we don't use chui to chuo, to chuane, to chuane. And yeah, ev chuane, ev chuane. She went to one, chuane. M chunwane, we went to one. By the way, this will always be wrong. This will always be separate. Hun chunwane, because one is a city. You went to one. Ev chunwane, they went to one. Ezu rabum, rabun. So rabun, we simply remove this as rabum. You see, don't mind this space as rabum. To rabu, don't have this one when we say at to rabu as rabum, to rabu. And let's continue. To zurabu. Okay, still like this note was keep continue to saying rabui, but let's be simple and rabu. Simple this one, rabu. Simple enough. Okay, let's be simple. To zurabu. This also obey the rule, right? We have to obey the rule. Okay. Ev zurabu, she wake up early. Em zurabun. This n comes up because of m and rabu. And hun zurabun, you woke up early. Okay. Ev zurabun, they woke up early. Damaboria berdavam. Okay. Damaboria berdavam. Past continuous tense. I am not like when I show you on the website there were a lot of tenses. I am not going to show all of them. I will just show the important one. It is already one of them is past continuous tense. Previously we not, till here we were in the simple past tense. This is past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and simple perfect tense and past perfect tense. So only we will be having this. Be sure it's not more than this. Only 4 of them. The rest is not necessary, I think. even without. Okay. Anyway, let's know. It is simple tense, and I mean I past continuous tense. Let's start. Dama boria berdavam also. Berdavam means continuous. Boria. Dam means tense. Bori means before, past. Berdavam is continuous. رزقنا rule. همه تجربو دما بوري عيني دمينة تاني دكوا بيشيا اللي كرا دما بوري أوقاس. It says rule. All the things stay same in the past tense. Only put the in front of verb in past time. So you see chum, right? And you simply will put the in here, and here you go. You have past continuous tense. Here you go. Like this, you simply have past continuous tense. Okay. We have the rezignama. This was as chumwane, as the chumwane. You see, so easy. I was going to one. De chuane, de chuane, de chuane, de chuane. This will be separated also. De chuane. This is not because of rule. It is generally. It's not because of past continuous tense. It is name, and we probably wrote wrongly. De chuane. Okay, de chu. De chuane. Okay, still. De chuane was going to. Am de chunwane. Okay, hun de chunwane. Hun de chunwane. You see, we simply put the chun. Av de chunwane. They were going to one. And hindari. Exercise. Let's do a few exercises. After exercises, we'll have other tenses. Havok the forma dama havok the forma deva nahada hatiya nevisandin. Today dama boriye da jahre kadin benevise. Sentences are given in present tense. You will write again in the past tense. Okay, as the chim, as chun, as chum. So, for example, as the chim is in present tense. As the chim, I am going. As chum, I went. So you will write something like this. This is based on a story. Actually, I will be telling a story. While telling the story, also I will be doing this. We will be doing this translation, the conversion. Kir means knife. Kevchik means spoon. Rojaki mirovak le malaki de mevan. Rojaki mirovak le malaki de mevan, which means one day one person became guest to a home. He went to a home as a guest. Okay, how do we say that in past tense? In past tense, rojaki mirovak le malaki mevan bu. So you see, mevan bu, even like not like this. We want to directly convert this like this. Deba mevan bu mevan. It's simply like this. Rojaki mirovak le malaki bu mevan. Okay. Dama khwarneye. Dama khwarne. It was time to eat. It is time to eat. It is simply like this when you translate this. Dama khwarne bu. Now it was time to eat. It was time to eat. Dama khwarne bu. So as I said in the previous slides, I told you, if you don't have verb, you simply put bu to make it past tense, and we did. Dama khwarne bu. Okay. Gabaniya mali sifre radakha. Khwarnan lister rezdike. Gabani is gavani also. It also could be gavani, but also gavan. Gabani is okay. but I was teaching you kebani. It was made. If you remember that, kebani. It's made at home. Okay, kebani amali also. Kebani amali. Kebani mi? Kebani amali. Sıfra radkha. Kebani amali sets the table and puts the food on it. Okay. Kebani amali do this. Okay, she puts on. This is not in past yet. Kebani amali sıfra rakhast. Khwaran lesar res krebu. Res krebu. Even we don't care about this now. Now we are just making in the simple past. This is actually another tense, but I will not do this. Simply we will want to convert to past tense, not past continuous tense, and I mean not present perfect tense, not perfect tense, only past tense. That's why I will remove that one. Erebu is different. I will tell you in the feature in the next slides. Kebani amali sıfır radkha khwanan lesar rezdike. Kebani amali sıfır rakhast, which means rakhast radkha rakhast. If you want, you can look for wiki farhang how it is. Rakhastan, and you can see the stem of the verb. It is in the past times. It is rakhast. Khwaran lesar rezker. Gırın, dıka, gırın. Okay. Dure mevan gelek le bende kevçikan dimine, le kebaniya mali kevçikan naine. Later, after that, mevan, guest, gelek le bende kevçikan dimine, guest waits a lot for the spoon. He waits like this for the spoon. There is no spoon. He want to eat, but there is no spoon. Le kebaniya mali kevçikan naine. But Kebani, maid of the house, doesn't bring the spoon. She doesn't bring the spoon. Yes. Let's see what he will do. Dura mevan galak lebenda kapchikan damina. Okay. This is he's waiting, and she didn't bring. She's not bringing the spoon. In here, because it is present tense, and in here is past tense. Dura mevan galak lebenda kapchikan mabu. Mine, mabu. The mina mine. So this is mine actually, and this became mabu, mine. Le kebaniya mali kevçikan nani. Kevçikan nani. Okay, kevçikan nani. So maybe you confuse. You might ask me what is in the second. Naine, anin, neani. So you see, like in here, when we anin, actually, okay, let's look at on the website. Look at anin. Anin. Okay, let's look at for the both. Anin is ani in. Okay, anin, ani. For the present times, it is in. For past times, it is in. Okay, it is in. It is ani. So this is our stem. But for this is our stem. Do you see the difference? So when naine, so for example, we could not. This y comes because of this is negative one, and a and e is to come to next to each other, and if it come I, it becomes something. That's why you have to put y between them, and this y comes because of it comes between them. But our stem is still in the present tense, and in the past tense ani is our stem. And when you want to make it negative, you simply put ne in front of it, ne or na. So neani, nani, not neani. Neani is seems much better when you're reading. It must be good to read. Okay, and nine. Okay, nine. She is not bringing, and it says she didn't bring. Okay, she was waiting for the spoon, but she didn't bring it. He looks like that. Merek jikabani mal rad beje. the man asks to the maid. He is asking to the maid. He asks to he is as he asking to maid. دبیجه. See دبیجه. Okay. مرگ جی کبانیا ماله را گوت. 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 It is the man asked to the maid. Asked to her. Asked to the maid. Okay. So you might think here we have the beja, but here we have goat. Why? Okay. Let's say you want to search this. Let's simply go to goten. Okay. Here you go. Do you see we have stem for rahi. Rahi is in Kurdish. Rahi damana. Rahi damana. For this verb goten, for goten, we have stem which is beige ve we. This is stem for goten. Stem for goten in the present tense. That is why in the first sentences you see beige. In the second sentences you see goat because for the past tense goat is our stem. Merikje kabani malere goat. So he asked to her. So that's why I said stem are very important in Kurdish. Stia kabani Mrs. Maid. Mrs. Maid. جکرما خو پلیز جکرما خو جمن را کیره کی بینه جکرما خو جمن را کیره کی بینه bring جمن را کیره کی بینه bring to me a knife ستیا کبانی okay ستیا کبانی جکرما خو مرا ستیا کبانی جکرما خو جمن را کیره کی بینه please bring me a knife. She asks. He asks. Stia kebani ji kerema xwe ji min re kêrekê bîne. So if you want to convert these to past tense, stia kebani ji kerema xwe ji min re kêrekê bîne. Stia kebani ji kerema xwe ji min re kêrekê bîne. So we are not going to do anything in here. Simply same. Ji kerema xwe re min re kêrekê bîne. Ji min re kêrekê bîne. Okay, let's continue. He asks already. Je me rakeye bine. So we simply got his speech. That's why I think. Kebani li ser sifreyê dinêre. Okay. Yani kebani li ser sifreyê dinêre. Kebani she looks on the table. Kebani li ser sifreyê dinêre. She looks on the table. Kebaniye actually. Kebaniye li ser sifreyê nêrî. Kebaniye li ser sifreyê nêrî. She looked on the table. Nêrî. Okay, nêrî. Kebaniye li ser sifreyê nêrî. But before past this, I want to say something else. In the Kurdish, as I don't know if you watched previous videos, beginning of this video I didn't mention about this, but we have two group of verbs, pronouns, which is as, de, ev, em, hun, ev. As means I, and in the second group it is man. De is de in the second group pronoun. Ev is we or we. Em is me. Hun is we. Ev is one or wana. Okay, pay attention to this. Generally kebaniye li ser sifreyê nêrî. So this is subject, right? Kebaniye. But in here I use kebani. But why do I have to put this ye in here? Because in the past tense we can use second group as subject as well. And when you are able to, you have right to use this subject, you can use this also. And in here كباني لستر will be wrong. كبانية لستر. So instead of كباني, we say way. أو right. أو لستر دنيرة. أو لستر دنيرة. أو لستر دنيرة. She looks on the table. Okay, I will say أو لستر نيري. This will be wrong. Way لستر نيري. And way is for female second group pronouns that you can use for the past tense as subject. Only you can use as past tense in as subject in past tense. The second group one, this one, you can use both those for in past tense, only past tense in as subject. So this is important information. That's why we say كبانية. Okay, تو تشتكي كو بكيري بيقود كرن نينا ودبيجة. There was nothing to cut by knife. There was nothing to cut by knife. تو تشتكي كو بكيري بيقود كرن نينبو وغوت. دبيجة. I told you why we have beige and goat. There was nothing to cut. There was nothing to cut with the knife. With knife. Mevane Brace, Mr. Guest. Today, Bekere Chibiki, what you will do with the knife? Today, Bekere Chibiki, what you will do with knife? So this is actually future tense. Mevan de beje. Mevan de beje. Today, Mevane Brace, today Bekere Chibiki. She asks, what will you do with the knife? And Mevan de beje, Mevan, the guest says, okay. Mevane Brace, today Bekere Chibiki. She asks like that. Mevan goat. So Mevan is going to say okay. Okay. Mevan برس تو دی به کری چه بکی میوان دبیجه. میوان برس تو دی به کری چه بکی میوان گوت. از دی گوی خوش جه بکم گفچک دا کو به خوارنه بخم. He says, I will cut my ear. I will make a spoon. دا کو به خوارنه بخم. To eat meal. This is in present tense, and also this is in future tense. As they go خوجه بکم, so still he says, I will cut my ear. بکم کرچک دا کو به خوارنه بخم. So that is on his speech. دا کو به خوارنه بخم. So this also is on his speech. So simply we copy this, and that's it. Okay. Versifa person جير بده. There will be some questions I will be asking you, and you will be answering them. Okay. Okay. To roja shamiye. This is also about past tense. Okay, this source always put bui, but I will not put bui. I will simply put bu. It is simple enough. They should also write like this. What is bui? It makes more complicated. Anyway, there are some questions, and we will answer. We will write their answer. You will not write actually. Simply, I will be writing in the second slide. Where were you? Where were you in the Sunday morning? Okay, as roja shami sbay lamala khwabum. So in here it says, in shami is Sunday. On the Sunday morning, I was at my home. I was as mala khwabum. So why do I use this? Because there is no verb in here. That's why simply I put bu in here. Okay. Roja shami de saat chandan dar rabuye. When did you wake up? Rabu. Roja shami saat chandan rabu. when did you wake up تروجنمي ساعات عندنا الرابو. when did you wake up تروجنمي ساعات when did you wake up on the Sunday. when did you wake up on the Sunday. It says when did you wake up. I am asking you in the past time. تروجنمي ساعات دهان الرابو. So basically let's change those things, like, because you might think something changes but nothing changes actually. I will say as روجنمي ساعات عندنا الرابو. Okay, so I am asking you, I am asking myself, and also I am answering myself, right? So what changes? تزرع الشمية ساعات عندنا الرابوم. تزرع الشمية ساعات عندنا الرابوم. So ساعات چندانده. This makes it the question, right? Nothing changes, and this is چندان. This makes the question. Nothing else in here. This is already for always. It is like this. So this is not. There is nothing about past tense actually. I mean in the questioning. Not like English. تکنگ جماله در کتی. It says when did you leave home. When did you leave home. Okay, از ساعات يكيد جمال در كتم. از ساعات يكيد جمال در كتم. I left home at 1. At 1 I left home. By the way, okay, I will در كتم. About this در كتم. So در كت. Okay, در كت. Let's say you want to search this. Let's say you wonder about the stem of this word, and simply you say der cat, and I will be searching der cat on here. I want to show something very nice, something rule actually I didn't mention in past continuous tense. I will be telling you. For example, you didn't say anything, right? Because der cat is not the actually word we are looking for, but der katten is the right one. So it says it says the stem for present tense is der kave. So do you think why there is space in here? There is space in here because of this. Let's say you want to use this for present tense. When you will use for present tense, what you need to do? You need to put the in front of the stem, right? And when you want to put, you will put in here der de kaven. You see, like here. But we said in the on the something in another video in the past tense in the actually damanha is present tense. In the present tense we said you simply put the in front of the verb, but sometimes you can put between here. It depends on the stem of the verb. So for example, stem of verb is like this. That's why I said always look here. Der cat. So this like der kav is for temana, which is present tense, and for past tense it is der cat. So why do you think this is there is a gap in here? Since in the past time we simply use it, we are using stem. We don't put anything. Der katem, der kati, der cat. So I don't put anything. But what if you want to make past continuous tense? That's it. If you want to make past continuous tense, you simply need to put the in here. But as we said also, we said we are putting we don't change anything when we said we want to convert past tense sentences to past continuous sentences. You simply put the in front of this, so you wouldn't put the der cat. You would say der the cat. The would come here. So I think so. We have been saying you mentioned about this. That was important. And it says الساعات يكيد جمال در كتم. I left home at 1. Okay. تفيراوين لكي خوار. Where did you have lunch? من firavin le zaningehê xwar. Min zaningehê xwar. Look, important, right? Look, I am asking with te, and I answer with min. Te is the second group that you mentioned about. We said that you can use the second group for past tense as subject. So min, te. Do you see this? But sometimes this became object too. In the present times, if you use this, you use, for example, if you say, for example, I say, min te dit. Min te dit. Like in here, te will be object, the thing that I saw. Min is the subject. That's why, that's why we say two group actually, because otherwise they must have the same power. If they are not, they don't have the same power. For example, te, je vais Hazdike. You love her. You say. So te is subject, and we is the second group, and it is she. So you see, at this time this is subject, but she is object. But in here you are the object, and man to it. I am. Man is the subject. So that is very important to really know about these two group of pronouns, as, de, am, as, de, ev, am, hun, we, one, we. Okay, this is the first group. As, de, something like that. As would be man, and de would be te, would be te. Ev would be we for female, we for male. M will be me. Hun will be we, hun, you. So we would be they. They, yes, it is they, I know, but in the second group it will be one. So you see, this is very important to know. Just know it, very important. This is important. Just know they have the same power. You can use them in the same sentences sometimes. Like when I said men te dit, I can use in the same sentences. So I say this is subject, then what is this? If this is subject, then what is this? So don't confuse about this. Just okay. Let's continue. What did you do after noon? Okay. as chum shanoe. After noon, I went to Shano, which is theater. I went to theater. Okay. To the saat chandande hati mali. When did you come home? As the saat hashtande hatam mali. I came home at 8. Okay. What did you do after dinner? Man pishtishive pirtuk khwand. Man pishtishive pirtuk khwand. I read book after dinner. Tu de saat chandande navasti. When did you sleep? As the saat donzande navasti. Donzde is 12. As I slept at 12. Okay. As I said, I will be teaching you past tense, past continuous tense, simple perfect tense, and past perfect tense in this video. And this is the third one, so we are close to end. Okay, Dhamma Boriya Sada. It is actually very easy to convert the past tense to this. Let's start. Simple perfect tense. I have seen Dhamma Boriya Sada. Min avditiya. You see? Ledavia lekere Dhamma Bori Uye Anji Ine Denevisanden. We just add Uye or Une end of verb of simple past tense. Simply you do this. You will put this or this, and this will become present. This will become simple perfect tense. Man khwandiye. I have studied. Look, remove this. من خوان. I studied. من خواندیه. This is equal to have, right? من خواندیه. Okay, continue. من دیدیه. Did. Remove this. I seen. I saw, actually it will be I saw. من دیدیه. But when you put this, I have seen. من دیدیه. Okay, دم بوریا دودار. So that was past simple perfect tense, and this is past perfect tense. Also we have past perfect tense. دم بوریا دودار would be. دم بوریا دودار would be. دم بوریا دودار would be past perfect tense. Okay, and let's see like this. دم بوریا دودار would be like this. دم بوریا دودار. Okay, past perfect tense. If you want to, like, okay, what is the rule? Let's just start the rule. رزقنامه the rule. رزقنامه دوی ام بون پشتی لیکری بکار بینن. We have to use بون end of the verb. هنجاران ابون. Sometimes ابون جی دبه. هنجاران sometimes we use ابون. To use past perfect tense, we only need to use put. We only need to put past. We only need to put bun or ibun end of the verb of the past tense, simple past tense. Okay. Gerle kertneye. Okay. Gerle kertneye dama boria sade mebud nvisant. If there was not verb in a sentences, end of the sentences we were putting bu. جبو دما بوریا دودار هاو لداویا بيفي بونه دما بوریا ساده بنویسه. Okay, it says like sometimes it says like, do you remember that I said if you don't have we don't have verb in our sentences, then we have to put bu. I told you before. If you don't have this in the past tense, you have to put bu end of the sentences. And it says if you want to convert this word without verb to dama boria dudar, which is past perfect tense. If you want to convert this, simply put a to here. But when you put a, be careful, y also will come. Buye. It will be buye. It wouldn't be buye. Buye. Okay. As we roger بقاسي ساعة نفستيبوم. As بقاسي ساعة نفستيبوم. That day I had slept more or less 9 hours. So you see, as نفستي, I will just remove this and نفستيم. So as we roger بقاسي ساعة نفستيم. I slept around 9 hours. It will be like this. When I said poo, I put boo. I had slept more or less 9 hours. It will be, you see, simple. This boo. I put boo in here. Don't confuse with m. M is belongs to the m. As it belongs to as. It comes because we used as. Matı parçubuyu lalşe. Matı parçuyu lalşe. Okay, let's just remove this. Matı çubuyu lalşe. Matı çubuyu lalşe. Matı çu. Okay, okay, let's remove this. This source always uses ye and it is confusing. I will not use that. Matu chubu lalshe. So chu lalshe. Matu chu lalshe. Did you go to Lalish? And when I say put bu, I put bu in here. Had you been to Lalish last year is here. Salachun. It is not Salachun. It's like last year. Salabori. Okay, let's use bori. Salabori. Salachun is also used. Okay, chubu. And that's it. Let's continue. Khalil بحالك خراب وجري أبو مالي. Khalil بحالك خراب وجري أبو مالي. Khalil went Khalid returned to home in a bad situation. خالد بحالة خراب vagaria بو مالي. So simply you see vagaria mali. If I said vagaria mali, it would be back to home, return to home. But I said vagaria bu, which means he had returned in bad situation. The قضايا بالتاني تلية قوي شكست بو. The قضايا in the accident the قضا is accident بالتاني only تليك أوي شكست بو تليك finger one was شكست بو is head. This makes this head broken. But if I said, as I said, we use also ibu, right? If I remove this shikast will be broke, only broke, head broken. The second only would had broken is the third and the past participate, but one to past tense, only broke. And shikast, it will be like that. It will say if he broke his finger, his only one of his finger was broke or something like this. So when you use abu, it became had broken. Okay, shikastibu. Yes. امهج نو جماله در كتبون در كتبون امهج نو جماله در كتبون. We had just gone out of the house. تلفون من ليدا. My phone rang. So امهج نو جماله در كتبون. So you see in here we had just gone out of home. در كتبون تلفون من ليدا. My phone rang. And that's it. Thank you so much to watch. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. I hope you didn't confuse more. And that's it.